Besh, I swear, ito na ang pambansang highlight. Sa butter bronzer ng Physicians Formula. Grabe, sobrang init, nabubulol na ako. But bagay siya sa aking mukha. Dawa. Hello mga passionate loves. So my name is Amy of Amy's Passion Diary and welcome upon YouTube channel. So nabasa nyo na sa title ng video na ito na magagawa tayo for today ng first impression video slash swatches and reviews sa new products na I've never tried before. Kaya nga new eh. Never ko pa silang na-try. Sobrang excited na ako. Dapat gawa talaga ako ng separate video for all these products na itatry ko sa video na to. Kaya lang, besh, malapit na akong mga anak. So, wala nang time ang lola mo na isa-isayin pa silang i-film. So, itatry natin na mag-review ng 4 products sa video na to. Yes, 4. Narinig nyo, 4. So, today, ito ang ating i-review, ang ating isa-swatch, ang ating itatry. So, ayan sila. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko talaga itong i-try na para magamit ko na siya for like upcoming days. Ewan ko, sobrang excited talaga ako kasi never ko pa itong na-try. Probably, na-try nyo na siya. Siya nga pala, pagpasensya nyo na ang weird ng aking face. Kasi, gumawa lang ako ng eye makeup ko, tsaka ng foundation, concealer, at tsaka sinet ko yung mukha ko. Pero, hindi pa ako nakapag-contour, blush, and highlight kasi nga meron tayo new products na ito try. So, yeah, medyo nabiweirdo na akong tignan ng aking sarili dito sa aking viewfinder kasi normally, pag nakita nyo ang aking mukha at nakita ko ang aking mukha sa screen, meron na akong highlight and contour, but isang wala. So, parang I felt so naked. Okay, mga best. So, mag-start up tayo dito sa butter bronzer ng Physicians Formula. Grabe, sobrang init, nabubulol na ako. But so, meron na sila ngayon 2 different kinds of shades. Meron silang light at saka yung original version, which I have yung original version. Ito yung butter bronzer, Murumuru butter bronzer. Grabe guys, alam niyo yung packaging nito, napaka-tropical ng vibe niya. Yeah, mapakamahalan siya, to be honest. And I think the Physicians Formula is kinda of a drugstore brand, right? Or is it in between drugstore and high-end? Ngayon ko ba siya nabili? Available na siya matagal sa busi siya, pero namabalan ako, best, 20 euro. Mahal nun. But, yeah, let's hope na mag-happy siya sa akin, napaka-neg-neg na skin. Alam niyo naman ako, napaka-morenang skin. So, yung packaging niya, may pagka-dome shape siya. Ayan siya. May hint ng purple dito, which I love. Tapos sa back, yung back niya is may pagka-lime green na color. Kaya sa back ng, ng compact is nakalagay na butter bronzer. It contains 11 grams of product. Guys, I opened it and ang bango sobra. It smells like sa akin is kind of coconut scent. Ang sarap niya kainin. It comes with a mirror, by the way, which, see, it comes with a mirror. And yung sponge applicator is nakalagay dito, which I don't think that I'm gonna use. How you gonna apply your bronzer with a sponge? It's not even a brush. If it's a brush, probably it's gonna be like a little bit forgiving. Pwede ko pa siyang apply, pero sponge. Girl, paano mo i-apply yun? Siya nga pala mga bestie loves. Look yung niya, yung detail niya. Yung detail ng bronzer. Grabe, ang cute, diba? May pag-ganern pa siya na, yan, parang swirl. I don't know. Ang cute, no? Bababuyin na kita. Hindi na masyadong bababuyan. Masisira na yung detail niya pagka dinab ko yung brush ko dito for sure. But regardless of that, ang gagamitin kong brush is itong Real Techniques na brush, na contour brush. Perfect! Kung naghanap kayo ng napaka detailed brush for contouring. Ito yung ma-recommend ko from Real Technique. Ayan, sinunal ko siya. Let's wear natin siya. Nasisira na yung ano niya, yung design niya. So, as you can see, powdery siya. May pagbabago ba? Ang hirap kasi ulit ng salamin. Meron naman yata. Pinipilit. Nangihinaya kasi sa 20 euro. Hello, bebe. Nandito yung bebe ko kasi yung boyfriend ko is gonna go downstairs. Kukuha yata ng coffee. Okay, so as you can see, ayan siya, diba? Tapos yun yung kabila. Naglagay na rin ako dito sa nakita nyo naman, tsaka sa jawline ko. So, makikita nyo yung difference niya, diba? Wag nyo expect na ang bronzer is like the same as contour. Bronzer is more like na, ang tawag dito na parang bigyan ng medyo depth yung face nyo without really carving yung face nyo. I really like the bronzer. I'm not saying that para dahil sa yung hinaya ko sa 20 euro. Sinasabi ko siya kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. Napaka-natural ng vibe niya. Alam mo yun, kasi yung contour kasi minsan it can be too much and too heavy. Nakikita ang brow ko, sorry ah. I can definitely see myself na ginagamit ko kahit ito lang. Oh, besh, pak na pak ang ating bronzer, diba? Kung kulay ko kayo na medyo pagka-neg-neg na morena, mag-a-appear pa rin siya sa skin nyo, don't you worry. Basta, ang bilhin nyo yung original, wag yung light kasi, girl, hindi mag-a-appear kung kaparas tayo ng skin tone. Anywho, let's move on to the next part. Sobrang excited ako, besh! Gustong-gusto ko tong product na tong bilhin noon pa. Kaya lang, mahal siya eh. Sa ano to, anta dito, highlighter siya from Ofra Cosmetics. And you guys, I heard so many good things about Ofra highlighters. A lot of people are in love with their highlighters. So gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Try kaya lang, dati kasi, to the website sa Beauty Bay, doon ko kasi ito binili. Meron lang silang full size. And yung full size was 30 euro. And ito, hindi siya full size by the way. Okay na sa akin yung 4 grams sa product. What most important for me is matry ko siya. Sa sarili ko ay matry ko rin siya para sa inyo guys. Kasi alam ko na curious din kayo. So ito nga pala ang box niya. Napaka-simple niya lang as you can see. Ayan siya. Tapos sa likod nakalagay is mini highlighter Rodeo Drive. And then yung ingredients niya is nakalagay din dito. So you can check it if allergic kayo sa certain ingredients. So magbabasa muna ako ng description para sa inyo. Nasa website ako at this moment. It says here, soak up the summer sun day or night in this universally flattering sun-kissed shade. So napakahabang description niya. So hindi ko nababasahin, kayo na bahala magbasa. So itaturn na lang natin siya. So by the way, ayan, inopen ko siya, diba? Grabe guys! Sa pan, parang napaka-blinding na naitsura niya. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try sa fest ko. Tapos may mirror siya na maliit. Ang cute, diba? May mirror na maliit. Tapos, ang weird niya kasi merong empty dito na compartment na walang laman. I was expecting na may brush yung kasama na maliit. I don't know if supposed to be this empty or may kasama siyang brush or yung sa akin na wala. Kalimutan nilang ilagay. I don't know. So, I will apply this product using my Anastasia Beverly Hills na highlighting brush. This is the A23. This is my holy grail highlighting brush. Sobrang, ewan ko, pag ito ginamit ko, sobrang pack na pack yung highlights ko palagi. Talagang, nandun siya sa part na gusto ko lang siyang ilagay. Hindi siya natatransfer kung saan-saan, hindi siya kumakalat, sumasabog sa akin mukha. Nandun lang siya sa place na nilagay ko siya. Hinay-hinay, baka, ayan ang nag-pick up siya ng maraming pigments, guys. Nakikita nyo ba? Yan, nakikita nyo for sure. Kaya apply na natin siya. I'm excited! Wow! Besh, kita nyo? Oh my gosh, it looks wet. It looks wet. Like, it looks so luminous. It's blinding, but it's not like, yun, alam mo yung hindi siya glittery. Ay, besh, grabe. Ang ganda niya. And bagay siya sa aking skin tone. Oh my goodness, Rodeo Drive. My new face. Besh, ang ganda. Ay, pak. Wala. Uwian na. Ay na, may nanalo na. Tingnan nyo naman kabila ng mukha ko. Nakakalungkot. Parang, parang may namatayan. And then, boom! Besh, I swear, ito na ang pambansang highlight. Ang ganda-ganda niya, Besh. Mukha siyang basa, girl. I swear, mga Bessie Loves, kapag naubos ka ito, bibili ulit ako ng bago. Sobrang ganda niya, Besh. Okay, let's move on. So, ang last two products na aking itatry sa video na ito ay from Maybelline. Probably na-rinig nyo na siya, na-try nyo na siya. But, hindi ko pa siya na-try, so itatry ko rin siya. And malamang di tayo parehas na skin tone. So, mag-iba siya ng mag-iba siya ng itsura depending sa skin tone mo, of course. And, bumili ako na, ayan siya mga besh. Itong Maybelline na Superstay Matte Ink na, I think it's a liquid lipstick, right? And I got two shades. I got Seductress and Fighter. Ito yung Fighter. Ito yung Seductress. So, yung Seductress is more like on a pinker tone, pinkish tone. And then, yung, Fighter is more like terracotta na color. I wanted to play safe. Like, choosing, like, colors na, I know na babagay sa skin tone. Mahal siya, besh! 13 euros siya sa Crowdfund. But, meron silang sale going on na buy one, take one. Kaya napabili ako. Sabi ko, bibilhin ko na siya talaga kasi matatry ko ang dalawang shade for one price. So, bongga. So, before ko siya i-swatch sa akin lips, babasahin ko yung short description ng product para i-remind kayo kung ano ang dapat nyo i-expect sa product na to at kung ano ang dapat nyo i-expect, of course. So, according to the website, it says here that it's a long-lasting matte liquid lipstick. Ink your lips in up to 16-hour saturated liquid matte. Bongga, it's matte and 16 hours siya maglalast. Superstay Matte Ink features a unique arrow applicator for precise application and is available in 10 super saturated shades. So, I'm expecting to be Baba Boom pigmented. So anyhow, ang packaging niya is super sleek and simple. This part right here na my color is definitely matte. It looks matte and it felt like kind of velvety texture. While this lid, itong white part, it's definitely kind of has a glossy look. And nothing really, lots of things happening on it. Like, there's no, yung ingredients niya is hindi nakalist dito. So, yeah, but you can check the website if you're curious about the ingredients, okay? So, yeah, yung shade niya is actually on the top of the lid. So, we're going to try it first, yung Seductress na shade. So, according to the website, it has a unique doe foot arrow applicator. And yung applicator niya looks like this. Now I see it, I remember. There's like yung parang, yung arrow shape niya. Tapos meron siyang butas dito sa gitna. It looks so unique. Never seen this applicator before from any brands. So, i-apply na natin siya sa lips. Let's see what's gonna happen and how it's gonna look like. Oh, ayan mga besh, nalagay ko na yung shade or na-apply ko na yung shade na Seductress. And as you can see, it looks like a nudish pink color, which I like. Anta dito, bagay siya sa aking mukha. Diba? And bagay siya sa aking skin tone. Hindi niya ako wino-wash out. So, yung applicator niya is sobrang maganda. I mean, napakadaling i-apply ng product. It glides on smoothly and so easy. Wala ako naging problema na kumalat siya sa aking mukha or sa labi ko o kung saan napunta. Nandun na siya kung saan ko siya gustong i-apply. Medyo sticky siya, to be honest. Lalo na yung dito, pero mabilis siyang set. Napipil ko na nag-set na siya sa lips ko, nagda-dry na siya into really matte. But, expect na medyo madikit siya. So, I really like this shade. Sobrang ganda niya. And if you're morena like me, you're gonna love this color. It's gonna look good on you. It looks good on me, so I know it's gonna look good on you too for sure. Mga best loves, itong product na to ng Maybelline, itong Superstay Matte Ink. This is not a joke. Ang hirap niyang tanggalin. It took me like 5 minutes or more para lang i-wrap off yung product away from my lips. Kasi kailangan ko mag-swatch ang isa pa eh. But ang hirap niya tanggalin. But probably because I don't use like an oil-based type of makeup remover. Wala ako besh. Meron lang ako ng simple, yung wipes. So, ay trinay ko ang sakit besh. Alright, so now let's try this shade Fighter. And hopefully it's gonna look good as this Seductress than the first shade that I used. Alright mga bestie love, so ito na yung shade na Fighter. And I really like this shade. I knew already when I saw this one from other YouTubers na I'm gonna like this shade, and I really like this shade. Sobrang ganda niya and napakontrabida ng kanyang aura. No, but I really like it. I think that it's so pretty and it will definitely suit a lot of makeup look, and with my smoky eye makeup look, I think that it paired up with the lips so beautifully. Ang ganda besh, and gusto ko yung vibe ng color nito, yung terracotta na color na to. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Try this color, you're gonna like it. And I know that it will suits like lighter to darker skin tone. I know na kahit ano pang complexion nyo, babagay to sa inyo ng bongga. So, ayan mga beshi loves, that's a wrap. So, natapos din ang aking very first, like yung first 4 products, like first impression video and swatches and review. And grabe, for the first time, like 4 products in 1 video and walang sumablay today. Akala ko guys, sasablay talaga yung bronzer kasi mukha siyang napaka-light sa compact niya, pero nag-work siya sa aking napaka-moreno na skin tone. So, really love it, and all the products that I've shown you, especially yung highlighter, guys, you need to try it. And yeah, the liquid lipstick, well, all of them, I highly recommend them. You need to try them, and if you can get your hands on all these products, please do try them kasi sobrang gaganda nila. And so ayun lang mga bestie loves, so I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you like this video, you find this video helpful and very interesting, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you're gonna get notified on my uploads here on YouTube. And I think that's pretty about it. I think that I covered up everything that you need to know about all these products that I mentioned in this video. So I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box kung gusto niyo silang bilhin or i-check yung more information about these products. So ayun lang, don't forget to follow me on my social media handles. Everything will be in the description box. So I want to wish you all a lovely day or lovely evening, whichever part of the world you are. And as always, be confident and stay grounded. Bye everyone!